Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. We're just doing our distributor wiring on our Challenger model we're building, and I just thought I'd do a quick video on how I do my spark plug boots and distributor boots done on my distributors. This will be a quick one, guys, and hopefully this thing will stay in focus while we run through this. So I'm starting to put on my distributor wiring and getting my spark plug boots in place. First we're going to do the distributor end, and then we'll do the spark plug end once we get them trimmed off and cut to length on what we're going to how long we're going to have them to go into the cylinder heads. Anyway, it works the same way at spark plug ends as it does at the base of the distributor end. So I've got a few done here, and I thought I'd do a quick one to just kind of run through what I do anyway for getting the spark plug boots on. It's not that hard. Hey, we zoomed the right way. Look at this. Holy crap. Once you get your little spark plug tubes boots cut to length, the easiest thing that I find to do is to get yourself a straight pin. Nothing fancy. Don't need to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on special tools. And in my finger here is my little spark plug boot. And watch myself while I try and film this, keep it in frame and not stick the needle in my finger, but hang on a second. So what you're going to do is find the hole in the end of that baby. And are we still in frame? Yep. Is get the needle started in the hole, and once you got that done, that's why God gave you fingernails, was to push the pin and the boot up against your fingernail, so that drives the pin through the hole in the boot down to your fingernail. And once you got that, you can grab your fingernail and slide that boot down the pin. Now, once you've done that, what you're doing basically is stretching that boot so you can get it over top of the spark plug wire. For guys that don't want to go through this procedure, the easiest way to get around this is find yourself some wire where the center core is bigger, that you don't have to go through this. But I'm kind of always fiddly on scale, so I found that any wire that you take the core out of that you use, that just slides over the wire easy, looks way too out of scale. So I go through this extra effort just to keep the scale look correct. So it's an easy way to do this. So once you've got that stretched, let me slide to the side here, pick out which wire we're going to do here. Hang on. That's done. We'll do this one out here. And stay in focus. Alright, let's try this. Now that baby's stretched, we can pull the pin out, grab our wire. Oh God. I'm going to be able to do this. Hang on a second, I got my magnifying goggles on too. You still in frame? Yeah. Let's see how this works. Oh, I can't do this because I need to get closer to this. Oh my God. There we go. And of course we're filming this and this isn't going to work. Or is it? Well, my camera's in my way, so I can't see, guys. I need to get closer to my work. Anyway, we got it. Be a little easier if this camera wasn't in my face. Anyway, so we got one on. So I'll move on to the next one. Hang on. Find a boot. There we go. Got it in our fingers. Find the hole. Shove the pin in up against your fingernail. And slide her down. Come on. There you go. Slide her down. What other wire are we going to do here? We're going to do this one here, I think. Whoa. Get around so we can do this. Hold on. That one up there. And yeah. Okay. Let's slide the boot back off. Come on. There you go. Find the wire. And hopefully this is in frame because I got to get this in here, guys. There we go. We're on. We're on. Anyway, it's a little more work, guys, but at least you get the kind of more scale correct for what we're working on in 1/24th, 1/25th scale. Anyway, that's a quickie, guys, and we've got our cylinder heads drilled. Next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to, once I get my boots on and push my distributor end ones down onto the distributor, and then I'm going to slide some spark plug boots on there. Leave those alone till I get the exhaust manifolds glued on and that dry. And yeah, we're in the process of flocking, or excuse me, I keep calling it flocking, embossing powder our interior tub. I slide this over, not making a mess. So we're got our glue in there, and we're piled high with embossing powder, so that'll give we'll give that 4 or 5 hours to dry, or leave it overnight, or whatever. But that's where we are in the interior. Body's still in the same state. I'm gonna get that painted up today, so maybe we'll get you a gander at that. We got seats painted up, went with the silver interior, and decided, because the wheels are going to be silver, that we're going to change our top color up, and it's going to be silver. So I've sprayed that just with Tester steel. Gives me kind of a flat color, and that's the same color that I went with for my wheel color. So we're going to go with a silver top rather than a black or a white one. We're going to change it up a little bit. I kind of like the gray or the silver kind of look to the top. So that's done, ready to go. Anyway, guys, quickie. Easy way to do spark plug wiring, and yeah, we'll talk to you soon.